So Jonathan brought over tequila as he was supposed to.
Alexa.
Dude, no, dude. No, dude. No, dude. So tonight, I'm making chicken and dirty rice. Hope you're enjoying yourself. Great. Great. A little bit of cayenne, paprika, red pepper, oregano, pepper, salt, garlic powder, lemon juice. Making this into a little paste here. Got these fucking young chicken thighs. Fucking, oh yeah. Yeah, brother. Check this out. When you get chicken from the, like, young chicken thighs, look at this. You see that? We gotta trim that. Where's this guy? Hello? I don't have clothes on. What up, homie?
Not much, man. What's on the menu?
What up? So we have one pot chicken and dirty rice. Change your fucking life. I don't really.
How's the camera, man?
It's great. I just don't understand I don't understand the settings on it. Yeah, you have to get on another side of it.
Yeah.
It's recording, right? I literally turned it on and pressed record.
What have you been up to all day, dude?
You're looking at it. I went to the store.
Did you do anything
Dude,
else?
did I? I don't think so. No, I cooked until 3 a.m. Ben, you gotta start bringing tequila over, you know? I mean, you can't just keep fucking showing up. Just keep fucking showing up here.
Man, my bad, dude.
You should have brought the Sotol.
Yeah.
Would have drank that. Just trying to get all this nice and warmed up. Look at this fucking spice. Look at that. You see that shit? Yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Holy shit, dude. I need to get all this off my fucking fingers. I don't know. Like, look at all this fucking flavor that needs to get off my fucking fingers. Wet paper towel. Is that in the shot? Great. I need to get a new sharpening rod. My sharpening rod's all fucked. It's got nicks in it. Yeah. So I'm like, is it fucking my knife up more, or is it being helpful? I'm not sure. The two things that make this dish up are the chicken, right? And this andouille sausage. It's gonna be like a flavor bomb. Get you out of there. There we go. Get the old willies out. John, do you use condoms? No? Damn it. I was just wondering like what your preferred condom was. Or if you had one. Oh, Durex. Fucking Magnums, bro. I just use fucking big old trash bags for my big old dick.
HGP bags.
HGP bags. The fucking tough bags. What the fuck they're called. There we go. So, you know, some of them are long, some of them are short. It's fine. I don't think I'm gonna get judged. Actually, you know what I may do just to sort of help with the length here. There we go. So that's sort of all sort of uniform. But andouille sausage. When you're doing this with the chicken, you always want to start cold. Because you want this skin to be all super crispy town, okay? Start on cold. There we go. Yes. Yes. All crispy. Fuck. Put these off to the side. Now, start ending these guys. You stupid dude. I want to get these down and crispy for texture. So when they're not, when they're like that, that's just going to be all soft. You don't want that. You don't want all soft. Ain't nobody like it when it's soft. All these little guys in here. Got onions in. Jalapenos. That's going to fucking make everybody cough. And celery. And just stir this motherfucker up. Look at that. Look at all the blackened bits coming up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And now I'm just gonna amp that up just a little bit more salt. I wanna pull a little bit more moisture out of there. Oh, that fucking shit is fucking smoky. I'll do the shot where I'm like chopping up the parsley and the green onion.
Okay, cool.
And that's it. That shit comes out of the fucking oven. It's done. Like, John's gonna be eating, he's gonna be happy. He may be a skeleton by then. Who knows? I'm starving, I know that. I haven't had 3 protein shakes. How do you think I feel, Jonathan? Should get nice and softened there. I'm just so impressive. So impressive. Rice goes in. There we go. I'm just stirring this up. I feel like I want to sort of like give it a little bit of toastiness. So you have this just amazing blackened, just complex dish. And then chicken broth. It's very high quality chicken broth. When I go to the store, I just like try to find the best chicken broth. I think it's Imagine. Imagine's the chicken broth. It's not like some clear, nasty liquid like most of the time you see in chicken broth. It's like cloudy. I'm really into it. Bring that to a simmer. And look at this. Just drizzle all that juice right over the top there. Oh my gosh. So it's boiling, right? Or simmering, which is good. Because if it's not there, it's never gonna get there in the oven. I don't care what you try to tell the oven, it's not gonna get there. And she goes. 35 minutes, bro. So that's ready. So now, you have all this hot stuff, you don't want it to be just all completely hot. You gotta have something to cool it down, give it some nice, clean flavors to it. Just working out these green onions. Some parsley, and then just a little cross-cut. That's all we're doing. Oh yeah. Get our beautiful little blackened chicken thigh. Just a little bit of this. Look at that thing just fucking raining on it. Look at that. Jonathan. What do you think about those glamour shots? Huh?
I like it, dude.
It's like an action Bronson, dude. That's what they call me. A little bit of flaky sea salt in here. Where are we at?
It's alright.
Fuck you. Here we go. Fucking real fucking plate here. There we go, brother.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Look at that shit, dude. This is fucking Flavor Bomb USA. Okay. Okay. Killed it.